Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add Instagram link to my TikTok. Start by opening the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the account where you want to add your Instagram link. Before you continue, check that your account is set to a business account. You can do this in your settings if needed, because the link feature works best with a business profile. Now look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Once you are there, find and tap on the Edit Profile button. This is where you can change your personal details and add links. Inside the Edit Profile section, look for an option called Links. Tap on it. Then select the option that says Website. This is where you will paste your Instagram profile link. At this point, you need your Instagram profile link. So open the Instagram app. Make sure you are logged into the correct account. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile page. Once there, look for the option that says Share Profile. Tap on it and then choose Copy Link. This will copy your Instagram profile URL to your clipboard. Now go back to the TikTok app. Return to the website field where you need to add the link. Tap and hold, then paste your Instagram link into the field. After that, save the changes. Once saved, your Instagram link will appear on your TikTok profile. Anyone who taps on that link will be redirected to your Instagram profile, either in their browser or directly in the Instagram app if they have it installed. Thanks for watching.